How to fix non-system disk or disk error black screen when loading BIOS settings on Windows 10. To fix non-system disk or disk error black screen when loading BIOS settings on Windows 10, try 1. Remove all non-system disks. 2. Review and confirm boot priority. 3. Remove and reinstall the hard drive. 4. Perform startup repair. 5. Repair master boot record, MBR. Run these commands in command prompt section: bootrec/rebuild bcd bootrec/fix mbr bootrec/fix bootbootSec/nt60 sys or bootsec/nt60 all 6. Set system partition active. Run these commands in command prompt section: disk part list disk select disk 0 list partition select partition 1 active exit 7. Check bad sector. Replace hard drive.